In this video, I want to show you how you can manage the auto update settings for specific plugins and also for specific themes from within the WordPress dashboard. And before I'll show you how to do that, I want to mention another thing, because in another video I also have explained how you can manage the auto update settings from within the SiteGround dashboard. I will quickly want to show you that again. So over here you can see that I already have been logged into my site tools panel for my website. And if you go to the WordPress option over here, then you can see the auto update option. So you can click on it, and over here you can do some settings. And for this tutorial, I have created a subdomain, the testwebsitelearninglab.com. So that's only for this tutorial. But over here you can set for the major releases how quickly you want to update them after it has been released. So you can do it. You can set it to immediate, or to 24 hours, or to 48 hours, or to 72 hours. You can also do that for the minor releases. And over here you can see the update plugins option, and you can enable it or disable it. But let's say you have a website and you have several plugins or several themes, and you want to manage them individually, so that for some plugins the auto update will be done automatically, and for some plugins it won't, and also for themes. So let me explain that. So I go to the WordPress dashboard. Only these two plugins are installed now. And over here you can see the automatic updates option, and there you can select for specific plugins which one you want to enable the auto updates for, and for which ones you don't want to do that. So let's say if I want to enable the auto updates for the SiteGround Optimizer plugin, then I can click on it, and now you see that the status has changed to disable auto updates. So if I click on it again, now it's disabled again. And if I click on it now, because now it has enable auto updates, then you can turn it on, so that now the status has been changed. So that way you can set this up for specific plugins that you have installed on your website. So let's say if I have other plugins added to this list, then you can just go over them and select for which ones you want to disable or enable the auto updates future. So I hope that's clear. And let me now show you how you can do this also for the themes for your website. So therefore I go to Appearance in the left corner above the plugins option, Appearance, and there you will have the themes option. So click on it. So by default, these three themes are already installed inside your WordPress dashboard. And this one is the active one, the 2022 theme. So if I click on it one time with the left mouse button, then this screen will be opened. And over here you can see that you have the option Enable Auto Updates. And it works the same as for the plugins. So you just click on it, and now you can see that it has been changed to Disable Auto Updates. So if I click on it again, now it's being disabled again. And if I click on it now, then you can see it changed back to Enable Auto Updates again. So if I want to update this theme automatically when a new version or an update has been released, then I need to make sure that I turn on the Enable Auto Updates option like this. And by default, this option has not been enabled. So you can go over the themes that you have and make sure that you have the settings that you want for the theme. So now you can also do this for the other two themes by clicking on it, enable the auto updates, and also do this for the third one. And that's how it works. So that's everything you need to know about how to manage the auto update settings for specific themes or specific plugins inside your WordPress dashboard. So I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something new by watching it. If that's the case, make sure to let me know, and also hit the thumbs up. I would very much appreciate it. I want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me so far. We're growing surely but slowly, so that's great to see. So thanks a lot, guys. And also I appreciate all the support. If you haven't done already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when new videos are being uploaded. There's one more thing I want to ask you, and that is, make sure to let me know in what kind of topics you are specifically interested in, because I want to know what kind of things you guys are struggling with, or what kind of topics you really want to learn more about, so then I can make videos about it. So If you have anything on your mind, make sure to let me know. So with that being said, I hope you have a nice day and I see you back again in the next video.